Welcome back to part 2 of our comprehensive law enforcement and emergency services solution. In our previous video, we delved into the hardware aspect of our integrated system. Today, we'll focus on the cloud-based software solution that works seamlessly with our cutting-edge hardware. Our software is designed to provide law enforcement and emergency services personnel with the ultimate tool for managing and utilising video evidence effectively. Let's explore its key features. Our software can be hosted in 3 different environments: on premises, on a private cloud server, or on a public cloud server. This flexibility allows you to choose the hosting solution that best aligns with your organisation's needs and security requirements. One of the standout features of our software is the capability for live streaming and real-time alerts. You can securely and remotely view live video feeds, listen to audio, and obtain GPS locations and trip history, ensuring you're always in the know, no matter where you are. When multiple cameras are in use, such as body-worn cameras paired with an in-vehicle MDVR, our software allows for synchronised playback. This ensures that you have a complete and coherent view of evidence from multiple angles. Our software isn't just about video. It's about managing your entire case. You can upload various types of evidence, including files, images, and CCTV footage, and easily classify and prioritise them. Add video timeline annotations and notes to create a complete case history. Finding the right evidence is crucial, and our software makes it a breeze. Search by officer badge number, data type, classification, and GPS or geofence location, ensuring you can quickly access the information you need. Trust in the integrity of your video evidence is paramount. Our software incorporates video evidence tamper detection to ensure the authenticity of your files. You can also utilise automatic and manual face redaction using AI technology to protect privacy. Sharing and downloading evidence is simplified. You can securely share files with authorised parties and merge multiple video clips into a single file for easy access and analysis. Every action within the software is meticulously logged, creating a complete audit trail. This transparency enhances accountability and security. We understand the importance of access control. Our software allows you to define flexible access permissions, ensuring that the right people have access to the right information. And finally, our software offers smart video evidence archiving. It intelligently moves video files from hot storage to warm storage and then cold storage based on video classifications and timeframes. This not only improves platform response, but also decreases storage costs, optimizing your resources. In conclusion, our cloud-based software solution tightly integrates with our hardware to provide law enforcement and emergency services with a comprehensive, secure, and efficient way to manage and utilize video evidence. Whether you're conducting investigations, ensuring officer accountability, or optimizing storage resources, our solution has you covered. Thank you for joining us in part 2 of our series. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our integrated solution, please don't hesitate to reach out.